Hello Professor, my name is Sawan Patel and today I'm going to present my lab 2 which is data warehousing with SQL. So for that we created the Jupyter Labs from the Anaconda Navigator which is here. So here is my SQL queries. First of all I installed IPython SQL and I loaded the SQL here and SQLite as well. And after that I created a table for the singers. For that I have the 10 rows and 10 columns. For 10 columns I have the ID, first name, last name, their birthday year, their music type, like which type of songs they are singing, like pop, rock, something, how many songs they have singing, and how many awards they get, from which city and country they are, and their contract with which company. So I added the inserted the value here, and I display the table right here. Here you can see 1 to 10 with all the columns filled in here. For that I added query of select star from the singer, which is my table name. After that I inserted another row here with the ID of 11 and added the values for it, and again I displayed the table, and that line it's already that row in the row. So I selected 11 for Bebe Rihanna. It shows right here, and after I selected the delete any row, and for that unfortunately by mistake I selected 2, and it's deleted from there, but after the set the ID I have to do it all the way from 2 to 10. So in that time I selected as ID 2 and set as a 1. Oh sorry, I selected ID 1 as for the 2, so it shows here and added, and I thought I can add the one more row, and it shows on the top, but the first ID it shows on the bottom, so that is what. For that I added my SQL queries, and after that I inserted one column with the price, and inserted the value in there, and I dropped the table, and after that I added the table again, and here is my chart value here. So for the chart I selected first chart of bar chart. In that I selected sum of awards uh, given to the music type, like EDM gets less than 20 awards, playback gets less than 10 awards, and rock gets the most awards. That's what shows here. In my second chart, pie chart, it shows the how many uh, how many singers uh, we get from the different countries. So majority we get from the USA, second number is Canada, third is India, and fourth is UK. So here's my pie chart, and I added the query here on the top. On my third chart I changed the color into the green, and for that I selected ascending order of the sum of songs sung by which singer. So Dua Lipa sang the least, and Justin Bieber sings most of them, most songs. So here is that. It is in ascending order, and I get it from the descending order. All I included in my PPT, and added HTML file in there, and I shows in bar chart, pie chart, and again a bar chart with the ascending order. Thank you.